See our fully automatic numerical control bone sawing machine. Round-trip two-way cutting. Sawing thickness 1 to 200 millimeters adjustable. Servo motor push. Cutting accuracy within 0.1 millimeters. Numerical control screen to set the cutting program parameters. Can store multiple sets of parameters and call directly. Pork steak, beef short ribs, tube bone, sorbet, etc. Tons of slicing output per hour. Smooth and flat section. Uniform thickness. It is safe, does not hurt hands, and saves labor. Where can you find a fully automatic bone sawing machine?